This was designed in a slicer. Let me show you how it was done. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to add texture or emboss STL files directly in your slicer. For this example, I will start by creating a primitive shape. Right-click and a drop-down menu will appear, then select a primitive. Scale to your liking. Now that you have a solid, you will want to right-click on the surface you wish to add texture or emboss. Go to the Add Negative Part option and another menu will appear. Let's select a SVG to use as the cut template. In the Options window, you get to modify the size of the SVG and also depth of cut. Let's align the SVG to fit the solid we created by left-clicking and hold to drag into position. You can hit the Slice button on the top right to see if all your parameters were met. Repeat these steps for as many sides as you like. For more beginner-friendly tips and tricks, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help this channel to reach more people who can use this trick. Now that we finished our design, let's slice and send to print. Thank you for watching. YouTube suggested this video for you to have a look at also. See you in the next one.